What is a meteoroids? Meteoroids are small rocks or particles of debris in space that range in size from a fraction of a millimeter to several meters. What is the difference between asteroids and meteoroids? Asteroids are larger objects in space, ranging from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers in size, that orbit the Sun. Meteoroids are smaller objects, ranging from a fraction of a millimeter to a few meters in size, that can become meteors when they enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up due to friction. How do meteoroids are made up? Meteoroids are made up of various materials including rock, metal, and ice, and they are fragments of larger objects such as asteroids and comets. They can be formed through collisions between objects in space or the breakup of larger bodies due to gravitational forces or other factors. What are the benefits of meteoroids? Meteoroids have several potential benefits. 1. Study of the solar system. Meteoroids can provide information about the composition and history of the solar system. 2. Resource exploration. Meteoroids and asteroids contain valuable minerals and resources that can be used for future space exploration and resource extraction. 3. Planetary defense. Understanding the behavior of meteoroids can help protect Earth from potential impacts and the potential consequences they bring. 4. Scientific research. Meteoroids and meteorite impacts can help scientists better understand the early history of the solar system and the processes that shaped it. 5. Inspiration for innovation. The study of meteoroids and space debris has led to technological advancements in fields such as space debris removal, impact prediction, and spacecraft design. What are the drawbacks of meteoroids? Meteoroids have several potential drawbacks. 1. Threat to human safety. Meteoroids can pose a threat to human safety if they collide with Earth, as they can cause damage and loss of life. 2. Threat to satellite operations. Meteoroids can interfere with satellite operations by damaging or destroying them. 3. Space debris. Meteoroids can contribute to the increasing amount of space debris, which can be dangerous to other objects in space. 4. Costly. Protecting against meteoroid impacts, removing space debris, and repairing satellite damage can be expensive. 5. Unpredictable. The behavior of meteoroids is difficult to predict, making it challenging to fully protect against potential impacts. History of meteoroids. The history of meteoroids dates back to ancient times, with written accounts of meteorite falls and meteor sightings by various cultures throughout history. In the 19th century, advances in astronomy and the use of telescopes allowed for more systematic observation and study of meteoroids. The first meteorite fall was scientifically documented in 1803, and since then, many thousands of meteorites have been found and studied. In the 20th and 21st centuries, space exploration and the development of space technology have greatly expanded our knowledge of meteoroids and the role they play in the solar system. Today, there are many active projects and missions dedicated to studying and tracking meteoroids, and developing technology to protect against potential impacts. What happens if meteoroids comes close to the Sun? If a meteoroid comes close to the Sun, several things can happen, depending on the size and composition of the meteoroid. 1. Vaporization. If the meteoroid is small and composed of volatile materials, it can vaporize due to the intense heat from the Sun. 2. Orbit modification. If the meteoroid is larger, it can have its orbit modified by the gravitational pull of the Sun, causing it to either collide with a planet or be expelled from the solar system. 3. Breakup. If the meteoroid is large and weakly held together, it may break apart due to the stress of gravitational tidal forces. 4. Comet formation. If the meteoroid is made up of volatile materials such as ice, it can form a comet, with a tail of gas and dust that extends away from the Sun. These interactions can contribute to the overall dynamics and evolution of the solar system and the objects within it. What is the size of meteoroids? How many meteoroids are present in our galaxy? What is the size of biggest meteoroids? 1. Size of meteoroids. Meteoroids can range in size from a fraction of a millimeter to several meters. 1. Most meteoroids are less than 1 meter in size. 2. Number of meteoroids in the galaxy. The exact number of meteoroids in our galaxy is not known, but it is estimated to be in the trillions or more. 3. Size of the largest meteoroids. The largest known meteoroids are several hundred meters in size, but some of the largest objects in our solar system, such as asteroids, can be several thousand kilometers in size. 3. The largest known asteroid, Ceres, is approximately 590 miles, 940 kilometers in diameter. Conclude. Meteoroids are small fragments of larger objects such as asteroids and comets that range in size from a fraction of a millimeter to several meters. They are made up of various materials including rock, metal, and ice, and can provide information about the composition and history of the solar system, as well as potential benefits such as resource exploration and scientific research. However, meteoroids can also pose a threat to human safety, satellite operations, and contribute to space debris. If a meteoroid comes close to the Sun, it can vaporize, have its orbit modified, break apart, or form a comet. The exact number of meteoroids in our galaxy is not known, but it is estimated to be in the trillions or more. The largest known meteoroids are several hundred meters in size, while the largest known asteroids can be several thousand kilometers in size. For more videos, stay tuned with us.